And then, let's move on to another track. We have use track. So for grade 11 use, this will be your subject copies for the full school year. So you can take it what about. Okay, then let's move on to grade 12, use subjects. The same, we have the core subjects, specialized, and then the applied subjects. You can see the pattern that the specialized subjects, so only for the specific stand. Okay, so let's move on to another track. So that will be now for the STEM track. For grade 11 students, this will be their subjects to have a passing grade for doing one intervention, wherein we are directly working with the student. We give him or her an additional activity for the student in class.
May I know what is the reasons na pwede ma-excuse yung students? Especially non-regular days lang, and then when it comes to exam pieces. Paano po yung, ano po talagang excuse? And then, also go through like the regular things.
Tatawagin yan ng mga subject teachers. Tatawagin sila ng subject teachers for revision. Uulitin ng teacher, pero summarize na lang siyempre. Tatawagin ng teacher, ano ba ang hindi mo naiintindihan para maulit natin. Para may paliwanag ulit. Sometimes we do this through the subject teachers. Sometimes we do this through the assistants. Binibigyan po yan ng Parents Advisory Council. Unfortunately, nag-o-open kami ng slots, nag-o-open ng PAC ng slots for 70 students or 18 students. Believe it or not, ang nag-a-apply ng 20 ganyan. Sila lang yung nag-a-apply. Ewan ko, bakit? Hindi sila nag-a-apply. Ayaw po nandito, kailangan po ninyo kahit na maliit lang na stats, 5,000 na may tulong nila sa inyo. Di ba? Malaki na rin yun. Usually, ang PAC na bibigay nito during the month of April. Ano yan? April. So, April or starting. Bago pa yan na sila bigyan ng tubig. Binigyan na sila ng using ng tubig. So, proud ako sabihin yun. Kasi kahit sa sports event, pagka nagkita-kita yung mga athletes, using athletes na ibang school, pinaiintindihan nila yung ating mga atleta. Kasi kompleto sila ng provision. Uniform, sabot ng UC yan. Dahil wala kaming kukunin sa iyo, sabot ng UC. So yung mga jacket na nakikita niyo yung suot ng mga estudyante natin, na UC, bayad ng UC yan. Lahat yan, kinukuha natin sa kanilang school fees. Matanda.
Papasok.